Welcome to ClearTask. If you have lost your MTN SIM card, or if it is damaged, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the updated process to safely perform a SIM swap on MTN. In the past, visiting a physical store was your only option, but MTN has recently rolled out new self-service features. Depending on your region, you might be able to swap your SIM right from home using USSD codes. For example, if you are in South Africa, simply buy a new RICA-registered MTN SIM card. Dial *135#, select option 5, and enter your old phone number. You will receive an SMS with security questions about your previous usage. Answer them quickly, and your swap will process within 2 to 24 hours. For users in Ghana, you can dial *1333# to access the new SIM swap portal and to follow the simple on-screen prompts. If those codes are not available in your country, or if you are on a contract line, visiting an MTN service center remains the most universal approach. When you go, make sure to bring a valid government ID and proof of ownership, such as your original SIM pack or recent recharge details. The MTN staff will verify your identity and activate your new SIM on the spot. If you cannot make it to a store, another great option is reaching out to MTN's official support team on Facebook Messenger or X. Explain that you need a SIM swap, and an agent will securely guide you through their digital verification process, and that is it. Getting your MTN number back is simpler than ever. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick direct tech tutorials. See you in the next video.